These slides are a few very short slides on partial pressure and gas mixtures. This is actually on page 9 of your PowerPoint notes. It's the very last slide. So gas mixtures and partial pressures, many gases are a mixture of gases, air being a prime example. We define partial pressure of a gas is the pressure of a component of a gas mixture if it were to be all by itself in the same container. So pretty much partial pressure is the biggest thing that you need to understand about this section of notes here. So John Dalton, which is the guy who came up with the atomic theory, extended the gas laws simply to say the pressure total is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3, so on and so forth. So essentially, the partial pressures of any number of gases added up equal the total pressure. And that way we can treat a mixture of gases just like a pure gas when we're talking about doing calculations. So simply put, if I were to look at this calculation here, what would the final pressure of the mixture of gases for the process depicted in the following illustration be? So if I have 400 torr of nitrogen and 200 torr of oxygen, so there's my P1, there's my P2, and if I'm looking at pressure total, I simply add them, and I would say that I have 600 torr of nitrogen and oxygen, or I could say I could have 600 torr of total pressure. So that's all the PowerPoint notes that we're going to take on partial pressure, and the next video will be on the actual worksheet with the practice problems on partial pressure.